Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday, 21st of June, that's the beginning of the summer days in Canada. Now, we've been enjoying warm weather last few days, and thankfully it's raining this morning here, and we're enjoying a very nice weather outside. This morning, I'm going to make a regular coffee, and today I'm going to use the Breville Barista Express to make a regular coffee. As you know, I enjoy drinking latte. That's my favorite drink. But today I'm going to make a regular coffee. It's been a while since I drank regular coffee. So let's see how to make that. So stay tuned, guys. So for today, I'm going to use the Lavazza. That's a decaffeinated coffee bean, so we'll use that. I enjoy the taste of that. I've done a review of the Lavazza deck. Check my channel, and I'm going to take 17 grams today, and we'll make a regular coffee. So I'll switch on my scale and take exactly 17 grams. Okay, so that's 16.97. That's almost 17 grams. So we'll use that. So I'm going to use the non-pressurized basket. All I'm doing is just fluffing it up and leveling it nicely so that we get a nice flow without any channeling. Now, this is a very handy tool, the leveler and tampering one. So all I do is just level it first. It's nicely leveled, and I use the other side to tamp it down. Make sure it hits all the edge around, and that's it. So it's tamped well. Let's extract some espresso. So I like to purge first. I do this so that there is no steam or any other condensation above the group head. And then you can lock the portafilter in. And I'm going to use a glass. This is for my coffee. I slide it in, and I'm going to press the double cup. The pressure looks good. So it pulled a nice double shot with a lot of crema, which looks good. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some hot water to make it a coffee. So you leave it here. I can remove the portafilter now and discard the puck. This is the water dispenser for Breville. So all I do is just dial the other way. The water flow would stop automatically at 8-ounce mark. That's how the machine is being programmed. So it switched off automatically, and it's 8 ounce plus the 2-ounce espresso. So that's 10 ounce of coffee for me. And the next thing I do is add some milk, full milk. You could add cream if you like. And look at that coffee. So this is a pure Americano, and it smells good. So let's add some milk. So all I do is add some milk into this. That should be good for me. And then mix it well. If you like, you can add some sugar to this or sweetener, both works. So that's an amazing cup of regular coffee. So if you like this video, give a like and please consider subscribing to my channel if you are new, because I'll be posting more videos on Breville Barista Express and other products related to Breville. So I'm going to enjoy this nice cup of coffee. I'm going to taste this. Oh, perfect. It has the nice flavor of that Lavazza beans. It has a very nice flavor. The Lavazza deck is one of my favorite now. It has some unique flavor which I really like. You can drink as it is without adding sugar. You would taste the real taste of coffee. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Does this regular coffee taste better than the drip coffee? The answer is yes, it does, because the espresso will bring out all the good flavors of the coffee, all the parameters, the sweetness, the fruity note, everything out of the beans, and that will taste much better than the drip coffee. The drip coffee, you always get the same kind of taste. You don't really feel the real taste of the coffee beans. So this method, it's much tastier. If you have an espresso machine at home, do try this. Next, someone asked me about how do I store the coffee beans to be fresh. I never got a chance to make a video about that, so that will be my next video. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I will be posting more videos related to coffee and Breville products, and we'll look at how to store the coffee beans on the next video. For today, I'm going to enjoy the regular coffee and see you guys on the next video. Please don't forget to like this video, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. That will really help me. I would really appreciate that. See you and bye for now.